If you're watching this video, you'll probably be interested in becoming a CWI, Certified Welding Inspector. On my YouTube channel, I have a lot of information about CWIs and all the math and the welding processes. But first, before we get started, let me share this quote with you from Whitney Young. It says, "Better to be prepared for an opportunity and not have one than to have an opportunity and not be prepared." So preparing yourself, because there's a lot of things out there now, and they are requiring you to be a CWI, Certified Welding Inspector, not just a welding inspector, but have your certification. Also, you can look through my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. I also have some links on there with quizzes and exams. Also, I have courses on Udemy. But I'm going to share with you some of the text message and emails that I received from a few of my students that have taken my courses at the college or either online. And this is from one of my students. He sent me an email. He was just informed that he has become a CWI. He passed the exam. And this student right here made an average of 93, which is not heard of. He made a 96 on his Part B. I think that's wonderful. And I got a few more students that send me text messages. You know, this one saying he's officially a certified welding inspector. And I think all of these students that I'm going through right now, they're working in the welding field as inspectors now. And this student right here also had my welding classes also. And here's another student, which he's an official CWI. And this is one of my last students that took my course. Not only is he a CWI, but he's also teaching at the college. But this is some information right here on Classmaker. I have some quizzes set up online. I have Part A, B, and C. Part A is your fundamentals, which is 150 questions. And you can follow this link, and all these links will be in the description below. Also, Part B is 44 questions. And Part B is a very difficult exam. Make sure you have the book of specs. And when you get to the test site, they also going to give you a book of exhibits, which nobody has a copy of it. They give it to you when you arrive there. And also Part C is 60 questions that I have on my site on the classmate marker. So you can take these quizzes for $9.99 each. It's a one-time attempt, and you could pay $9.99 again to attempt it again. So this is good information, and these quizzes are not easy. So make sure you have your book for Part B and C. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.